Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, my name is Lisette. Thank you for joining me. Today's video is for those of us who are always on the go. We're always rushing or always late to get somewhere and we have little to no time to get ready. I'm going to be teaching you how to create your makeup look in 10 minutes. I've never actually timed myself, but I feel that 10 minutes it's a reasonable time to create a simple and everyday look. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, since we're already running late and we have 10 minutes or less to get ready to get this makeup started, the first step, and it's very important, is the primer. We're going to be choosing a primer that acts fast and dries instantly. And what better way to start than with a mist, a hydrating mist. And this one I'm not able to use is from In Beauty Project. It's a perfect mist because it not only preps your skin, but it also sets your skin and it helps you hydrate your skin during the day. So you first spray it, then once you have the makeup done already, you set it with this spray, and then throughout the day, you want to make your face revive and feel refreshed again with the makeup that you're using. So just do a couple of sprays of it. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to spray this in my face. And it smells great. One of the things that it says is it has aloe, which hydrates, clarifies, energizes your skin. It's perfect. Okay, now hurry up because we're losing time here. Okay, then the second thing I'm gonna be using now is the foundation from It says Bye Bye Foundation. It's a full coverage moisturizer. One of the things that you want to do is to try to eliminate process when you're doing the makeup. So by getting this type of foundations, this one is a moisturizer. You can eliminate this from your skincare routine because it's a moisturizer, but this is perfect on the go. Plus it has SPF. It protects you from the sunscreen, so it is perfect. Let's go ahead and start this. And it has, this is the type of applicator it has. So I'm gonna do a couple of pumps and start. Okay, first of all, sorry, let me get my hair out of the way because I don't want to get this foundation everywhere. Okay. Okay guys, like I was saying, this moisturizer hydrates and is designed to cover and improve the face redness, the pores, any dark spots, breakouts, or lines and wrinkles. It works the same way as a foundation. It is full coverage with SPF 50 and is perfect for dry skin and oily skin. You can find it in Ulta for $39.50. Okay, we're done with that. It looks great. Now to the next step. Now next step is the concealer. Very important. You want to conceal your under eyes and your T-zones. This concealer I am using is from Tarte, the full coverage concealer. It's gonna eliminate all your fine lines, your wrinkles, your blemishes, and it's gonna eliminate your under eye dark circles. Okay, we're done with that step really fast. Now we are going to go and set the concealer. Okay, I'm gonna use my banana powder from Joah. Get the sponge. This is from Real Techniques for powder. Whoa, it's okay. Oh my god guys, as you can see, I went a little overboard with the powder, but don't worry because I fixed it and it looks great. But a little bit about this setting powder. It's from Joah Beauty. It's in the color banana. It's a lightweight and translucent powder, which means that your foundation is not gonna change the shade that you have on your face. It's just gonna set everything up with an all-day natural matte finish. Okay, now I'm gonna go with a pressed powder for all over the face. This one's from Milani in the shade Natural Beige. grab an eyebrow pencil that works for you, that you feel comfortable, because this is something that you're gonna be doing in less than 10 minutes, so you wanna get a pencil that is comfortable. And this is the one that I feel is more comfortable for me, is the $1 Billion Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Universal. So I'm gonna brush my eyebrows after applying the crayon. I'm not gonna be using brow gel because there's no time for that. Okay, so I feel that they're good right now like that. I'm gonna be applying now the bronzer. The bronzer that I'm gonna be using is from Pacifica, and this one is a duo. It brings a bronzer and a blush. So you wanna grab something that has both so you can go and work fast. Okay, I'm gonna apply my blush. This brush is soft and it's nothing too pronounced like peachy. It's very soft pink. It's very like natural. Okay, I'm going back and forth, but I want to make sure that I have it on. Right, now the next thing we're gonna be doing pretty fast is I'm not gonna be doing an eyeshadow. I'm not gonna get an eyeshadow palette. There's no time for that. So the best thing to do is to get that same bronzer that you just had and apply it to the crease of your eye. Pretty much like contouring your eyes. Because you just want to give it definition. Okay, you want a pop of color there. But you don't want nothing too big or pronounced. You're trying to make it fast. Okay, then with another brush, you're gonna get that blush that you put in your face as well and put it to the eyelid. Perfect. Now, you're gonna get the same highlighter that you're going to apply to highlight your nose. You're gonna apply it to the inner corners of your eye to make it pop. Okay, just make it pop. Okay, and this one that I'm using is from Nomad Kiss of Sun Highlighter. Right, this same highlighter, I'm going to get it and apply it to the bridge of my nose. It's a pinkish tone, it's really cute. To apply pretty quick the eyeliner in the waterline, and this one's from Kat Von Cake Pencil in black. Great. Now we're going to be applying the mascara. The mascara I'm going to be using is from Tarte Big Ego. This mascara is great for making your lashes have full volume. Great, we're almost done. Now the last step is the lipstick, and the one I'm going to be using is from Milani. It's Bold Matte and it's in #1, I Am Fabulous. This is very important. You want to have lipstick on. This lipstick smells really good. Really good and nice. I think we are done. Yay! So now for the last step, you're going to be using that same mist you used to prep your skin. You're going to be using it now to set your skin. Okay? Yay! Now let your hair down and you're ready to go. Woo! Finally, you're out the door. So this is a quick makeup look that you can do really fast with these products. They work great and it is great for every day and on the go. Okay, so please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think, what other videos you want to see. What do you think of this look? If you liked it, if you think it wasn't enough for you, if you wanted to see something else, comment below. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for coming back. And please, if you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell notification to make sure you get notified when I upload the next video. And thank you very much. Bye. See you next time.